For question number four would be something more like a quiz question that you have to use the definition of inverse, which means that f of g of x is equal to x. Okay, you have to use this to show that they are truly inverse of each other. Okay, so we don't know. It could be both. So let's see which set contains a pair of inverse functions. So let's go ahead and try set A. Okay, so f of g of x. So that means we have f of x right here. We're going to leave some space right here for the x because that is going to be, I'm going to put the g of x right here. Okay, and go ahead and color code this for people who might need a little bit of assistance to see what's happening. So again, when we say f of g of x, we are placing the g of x into the x of the f function. And then step by step, basically just PEMDAS inside the parentheses. Well, I mean, you can take off the parentheses here. Okay, you can take them off. And then you just have the -3 and +3, they cancel each other out. So you have cube root of x plus 1 cube minus 1 cube and cube root, they cancel each other out. So you will have x plus 1 remaining and then -1, and that's equal to x, which is lovely. So we say yes, set A is contains a pair of inverse functions. And now let's go ahead and look at set B. And set B, it's f of g of x again. And right here, cube root of x plus 2 plus 5. And then what we're saying here, it's yes, same thing here. The +5 and -5, they cancel each other out. So we have cube root of x plus 2 cube and then +2. And then the cube root and cube, they cancel each other out. So you have x plus 2 and then +2. And then you have x plus 4. And that, unfortunately, it's not x. Okay, so in that case, set B does not contain a pair of inverse functions. So that's the typical procedure that you would use the definition of inverse to find out if those two functions are inverse of each other. And of course, the overall idea of what an inverse is that they should cancel out each other, just like x squared and square root of x, or square root and x squared. These two functions, they are inverses, so therefore they cancel out each other. Okay.